Okay, hello guys. So today I'm gonna solve this question about the partition array according to given point pivot. So the question is we give that the array nums and the integer pivot, and you need to sort that in the way that if the element is less than the pivot, and will be appear, I will be moved to the before the pivot itself, and if the element is greater than pivots, we move that to the to after the pivot. So let me give you a sample for understandable things. Okay, let's open my OneNote. So for the first example here, we have a numbers array and the pivot is 10, and we need to move the 9 and 5 and 3 is less than the pivot 10, so we move 9, 5, 3 to the left side of 10. So you also maintain the order of the original array, that here is 9 appear first, and 5 and 3, so on and so forth. So in the right side of pivots is 12 and 14, and we also move the pivot cell together. Yeah, that's basic the question. So the constraint of that question about 1 to 1 square 1 fifth and 1,000 something and 10,000. Yeah, no, and 100,000. Yeah, it 100,000. So so that's why we need to solve the question less than the O n square, because that is the time complexity, that is 10,000, 100,000, sorry. So how will you show that it's less than O(n) square, or especially is O(n) log n, or O(n)? Let me think about it. So so we can do that is that we have the new array that, for example, I call that the res array. It's the empty array. It's the array of length, same as num here. For example, here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 characters as 7 elements. So, and we first that we find the pointer point to the first element, and we do for loop for the first thing that is less than the pivot. For example, we loop through the num that we find that 9 is less than 10, and we push that to the first element, or the I, and will be 9, and we move the pointer to the next element, and we find that 5 is also less than 10, and we push that here. We update the pointer, and we see that 3 is less than 10, and we update the pointer, and that's here. We do not see anything less than pivot 10, so we take to the second loop that it pivot cell. So the pivot cell is 10 here, and also we have 110 here, and we also update the pointer to the next elements. So in 3 loop we just do the element that greater than 10, and here is the 12 and 14. So basically we do 3 loop that the time complexity will be O, and percent is O, trip, and we can just say that is O n, and it will pass the constraint. Yeah, that's basic of solution. So let's code that. Let's implement that. First, that we define the pointer 0, and for first loop, that the first loop is the element that less than pivot, and for j in range, or we can do for num in nums. Check that if num is less than pivot, and we also need the rest is have the 0, and the rest have the length of length nums. If the first that if num is less than the pivot, and we assign that index will be num, and we update the pointer, and for the second will be pivot itself. So we can copy that loop here, and do the same thing. On here we can, third one will be greater than pivot. Yeah, I think that's all, and we'll return the rest and run that. Hopefully that will accept it. Yeah, let's submit that. Yeah, accepted. Okay, so that's daily question here. That's daily question today. So have you enjoyed and practice to get better? Thank you for your watching.